Now to a big game changer for women's health. The American Cancer Society is now endorsing a change in cervical cancer screening guidelines that could mean less women going to their doctor's offices for pap smears. The organization is supporting self-collection tests. Circle of Health reporter Denise Dodor has the new details.
Busy nurses Monica Schmerber and Stephanie Mungia screen for cervical cancer routinely, but being able to do a pap smear on their own would be a big plus.
It's very convenient for people that are working all the time like we are.
An update to the American Cancer Society's guidelines supports women collecting their own vaginal specimens for human papillomavirus testing. They can do it at home or at a doctor's office. This marks a major shift in U.S. screening practices.
It could be more convenient because you can do it at home. You don't have to feel like you're being traumatized, and people do have significant history with, unfortunately, gynecological exams.
OBGYN Dr. Tanya Hines with Kaiser Permanente Baldwin Hills says self-collection kits can also reach women who just can't get to a doctor.
Cervical cancer screening is going down, and that has everything to do with access.
But in the event of an abnormal result, Dr. Hines says follow-up is key.
If there's anything that, may pop up, then you go in and, of course, address it.
The American Cancer Society says cervical cancer screening should start at age 25 for those at average risk and continue until the age of 65. It should be performed every 3 to 5 years, depending on the test.
To cease HPV screening, the new guidelines require more stringent criteria, including a history of negative test results.
They need to be negative for HPV and that you have no other symptomatic issues there. If that's true, no more pap smears after age 65.
That's because cervical cancer risk drops in your 60s. About 13,000 new cases are diagnosed yearly, with roughly 4,000 deaths. Even if you don't need a yearly pap smear, Dr. Hines says women should get annual pelvic exams as part of their wellness check.
It's something that I just have to cross off my checklist every year and just get it done.
In Northridge, Denise Dodor, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.